Next topic that is going to be discussed under chemistry of life is about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is included in the chapter energy transfer in cells and is also present in the later chapters in chapter 8. Okay, so what are the things that are needed to be discussed in photosynthesis? First, we have to define what the process is. So definition, this is the process being undergone by plants where they're able to convert light energy being acquired from the sunlight, from the sun, and convert them into chemical energy, which is in the form of glucose. Okay, so it is more helpful to define what the process is if we include the chemical reaction. So chemical equation. The chemical equation for this is actually complementary to what is present in cell respiration. So this time we use carbon dioxide and water as raw materials. Okay. Whenever the light energy is going to be absorbed by the pigment chlorophyll, it is able to convert them into glucose. Okay, glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. Okay, so it's basically the opposite of the equation is basically the opposite of cellular respiration. Okay, so apart from that, okay, we have to include the location of where the photosynthesis is occurring. So when you say location, we have to include the structure of the chloroplast. The structure of the chloroplast molecule. So just like in mitochondrion, it is also double membrane, and there are structures such as the thylakoid membranes where light-dependent reaction is occurring, and we also have the stroma where light-independent reaction is occurring. So next one, we need to discuss about light energy. Okay, and light energy, of course, it is available in different wavelengths or in different spectrums. But in the light energy that is being provided by the sun, only specific colors such as red and blue that is going to be efficiently used because they provide more energy. Okay. So we can include the processes now. So we have the light-dependent reaction occurring in the thylakoid membrane. Okay, so under light-dependent reaction, we have the process of photolysis, wherein water molecules are going to be split to release the electrons. The next process that is occurring in light-dependent reaction is ATP molecule formation to provide energy for the next process. Okay, so the next one, we have the light-independent reaction. In the light-independent reaction, this doesn't require light, but it needs molecules that has been produced in light-dependent reaction for this to occur. Okay, so next one. Okay, next that are going to be discussed are the factors affecting photosynthesis. So the rate of photosynthesis is being affected by several factors, such as temperature. Okay, just like in enzymes, as the temperature increases, the rate of photosynthesis is increasing as well. But as the temperature further increases, it can denature the enzymes that are involved in the process of photosynthesis, therefore decreasing the rate. Okay, so we have carbon dioxide concentration. Of course, this is very self-explanatory, because whenever there's no carbon dioxide, then therefore the rate of photosynthesis is not going to be increasing. So lastly, and very important, we have light intensity. Without light, photosynthesis cannot occur. So we can actually prove this, or students can actually prove this in their lab experiments, wherein they can show like plants can photosynthesize, can produce more oxygen if they are placed directly under light, and they can produce more organic molecules, or more glucose in that sense, whenever they are exposed under more light.